Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your account with American Express, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your American Express account, begin by visiting the American Express website. Look for the login option at the top right corner of the home page. Click on Login. You will be directed to the login page. Since you are a new user, find the Forgot User ID or Password link and click on it. This will lead you to the activation page. Select the option that says Register your card. You will need to enter your American Express card. Input the last 4 digits of your social security number. Provide your billing zip code. Next, choose a user ID and a password for your account. Make sure your password is strong to enhance security. Once all information is filled out, review your entries for accuracy. Click on the Continue button. You may be asked to verify your identity through a confirmation code sent to your email or phone number. Check your email or SMS for the verification code. Enter the code in the designated field on the website. After entering the code, click Continue to proceed. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully activated. Finally, log in using your new user ID and password. Congratulations, you are now ready to manage your American Express account online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.